you doing? What are you doing? You're such a good boy. You know that? You're such a good boy. And I love you. You're silly. So this is a pretty simple concept. There's just some nice flat rocks. I leveled it out, left a cavity for the fire, and it works fantastic. Sometimes you got to put something in the bathtub to keep your butt from getting too hot. But I generally put some metallic or silver bubble wrap or something in there. You can also put a board apparently. I haven't tried that yet. I'm not fond of slivers. Hello, Mr. Dakota. What's he doing? Making sure I don't go near your bone place? Is that what you're doing? Yes, you would never want me to go by the bone. Would you? Would you? Look at you. Hello. Oh yes, you're so nice. You're just so nice. Are you gonna protect me while I'm having a bath? Are you? Huh? You're a good boy, aren't you? You are a good boy. You should let me brush you, though. You should. It's like, nope. No, I'm not doing that. Some days are better than others for having a bath, but I'm kind of adamant that I'm going to try, so I'm going to have to clean that out and melt some snow, because yeah, look what happened overnight. We had no snow. Now we got lots. Hey, buddy. You need to eat the food that I gave you before. You do. I know you're giving me your paws, but you need to eat the food I gave you already. I am not giving you any treats. You already had some. I know you're hungry. You have food. You have food. I've been waiting for it to get dark so that I can enjoy a nice private bath. The wood shed is lit up now, so it means it's getting dark. But as you can see, there is life close by, and right now it seems like everybody's going home. And I am not an exhibitionist. I like to be private, and so I'm just waiting a little bit longer Woo, it's slippery. If I throw snow into the tub, then I can, you know, hold off the temperature a little bit longer because it looks like it's getting like ready. I think it's quite nice and clear. I've used my little fishing nets and that works. It's beautiful. It's beautiful out here. It's raining, and it's beautiful here. I don't think many people get to experience having such a beautiful scenery when they do have a bath. I mean, it's just absolutely 360 gorgeous. And as you can see, the fire's going good. Like, considering it's raining, it's doing just peachy keen jelly bean. I do have the bottom of the bathhouse all open so that I can allow the smoke to escape. And generally speaking, there's only a few areas that it actually does escape. The top part is also open, so I have privacy, but still enough air, because nobody wants to get, you know, a whole bunch of smoke in their faces while they're having a bath. Feels so good. I needed this spa day.